Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Carnegie, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters reported quarter to half-dollar size hail earlier, several miles south of Carnegie. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carnegie.